Today I'm gonna bust the myth that you do not have style options when you wear hand-tied extensions. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can have any style that you want by strategically placing your hand-tied rows and getting a little bit creative. So my client likes to wear her hair split down the middle in either low buns, high buns, braids, and traditionally we would look at a hand-tied extension method and say, well, it's not for her because of the way that she likes to style her hair. But I'm gonna show you with IBE specifically why we have the option to do as many styles as we want because of the way that we do our foundation. So let me expose her secrets right here. She's actually wearing on both sides, she has a small panel. This side is a little bit shorter, but she's got about 2.5 to 3 inches of a little mini row right here on the side. Now this is to fill in this breakage that she has and kind of fill in that gap that she has here. But also this allows her for a lot of fun placements with her hair. And we could actually take this all the way back if she needed more coverage and needed more things to fill in. I would actually take this even further back and place it about 1.5 inches off of her back hairline. So it would run from here on the side to here. And this would still give her all of the fullness that she needs to cover up here, but then also watch what I'm gonna be able to do with her style. Again, usually we split there and we go, oh, there's a row, I can't do that. I'm gonna have to do tape ins or something else. You don't have to, trust me. You can still do IBE, but just get a little bit creative. Okay, so I have these messy buns super fast, didn't take me very long at all. And again, she's wearing hand-tied extensions, you guys. I know you don't believe it because of what you've been taught, that you have to have a continuous row, but check it out. There's not a continuous row here. She has the freedom on the back of her head. Again, because of her density, she can do whatever she wants here. Our goal was to fill in the front, but still give her hair to work with so she can do some fun things. Now what I wanna show you is how we can actually move these buns up here, again, because of IBE. It's invisible. Okay, and just like that, in no time at all, check this out. How cute is this? Now again, showing all the way around 360. I'm just gonna let you pause, slow it down. Let me know, holler at me if you ever see a row, because I guaranteed you're not going to. Okay, I wanna show you something too right here, this. You can see, I mean, she's very fine around her hairline. Now, what I'll see here is a lot of hairstylists will say, well, I can't do hand-tied extensions, so I'm going to match density for density, and I'm gonna do a single strand extension so I can fill in the front. What happens is that you lose the ability to style like this because you're gonna take small, little, tiny, fine, thin pieces, and you're gonna think that this is a great place to attach a keratin bond or a single eye-tip. And it's not, because you're then just kind of building in styling limitations if you're gonna move forward. So her row, her little mini rows, where are they? I think they start right here. Okay, but you can still see she's got all of the volume, fullness, thickness up here, nothing, no hairline, like zoom in, zoom in. Can't see anything, right? It's crazy. IBE, customization, there's nothing that we cannot do.